Hey, what's up? It's Kegan, and I'm going to teach you how to get your first welding job out of school, and then I'm going to teach you how to stay getting good welding jobs after your first job, because sometimes it can be hard, so watch this full video. So while in welding school, the last 3 months of welding school, you should be applying to a bunch of different jobs. So Indeed, Road Dog Jobs, Road Techs, and join a lot of welding groups on Facebook, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna network on Facebook on those groups. Hit up welders, make posts about yourself, and then also on the hiring websites like Indeed, Road Dog Jobs, Road Techs, you need to make your resume and you need to upload it to these sites and apply to as many welding jobs as you can, because you don't want to start applying the jobs when you graduate. You want to do that before school. So if you are talking to these recruiters that call you back, if you get a call back or anything, just let them know that, hey, I'm on a job right now, but I'll be finished in a month or two, or I'll be finished in a couple weeks, okay? Let them know that so that you're not telling them that you're in school, okay? You kind of got to beat around the bush with that because sometimes getting your first welding job is hard, but if you know somebody that can get you on a job and they know that you're coming out of school and they'll work with you, that's awesome. But if you don't have anybody that's in the welding industry, like myself, none of my family members or anybody did it for me. My first job, welding job, was off of Indeed.com, and it was an oil rig job. So I had applied to a bunch of jobs, and I got one off of Indeed. So last couple weeks or last couple months of school, start applying the jobs, all right? Now, whenever you do get on a job, hopefully it is a pipe welding job or a good structural job that's, decently long, okay? And when you get on this job, you're going to network with people, okay? It is so important to network and be a good employee, okay? Don't just show up and think you're the best welder ever, because frankly, right out of welding school, or, if you're going on your first welding job, no one's good at all, okay? You're horrible, you're trash, you're not a very good welder. You think you are because you just graduated welding school, right? But no welding school can guarantee you that you're going to be perfect right out of welding school, and no school can get you 100% mentally and physically ready for every single thing on the job, all right? So first job, you're not going to be that good. So what you need to do is be humble and understand that, and you need to network with welders on the job and also superintendents and foremen. Just show them that you're willing to do good and work hard and make good welds, all right? And they'll see that, because there's not a lot of people like that in today's industry, okay? Majority of welders are prima donnas. They're not very good at welding, and they complain and whine and whatever. So don't be a prima donna. Make good welds, make every weld consistent, clean every weld, and be a good employee. Help everybody on the job, okay? And that's going to help you get your name out there, and people are going to start asking you for your number at the end of the job. That's what you want. At the end of the job, you need to network and get contact information from the guys you just worked with. Right after welding school, you're not going to be on the most high-paying job, okay? And a lot of welders or people that go on high-paying jobs to stay busy, because the high-paying jobs aren't all the time. So some of these really skilled and known, welders or craftsmen that have been in the industry for a while, to stay busy, for their family or bills or whatever, they have to jump down to these lower paying jobs that aren't as good sometimes. So your first job, you're going to be on one of these jobs that's not the best, okay? And you'll be able to network with welders or craftsmen, fitters, pipe, everybody, and riggers. You'll be able to network with these people because they know the people on the bigger jobs, okay? So that's why it's so important. Your first several welding jobs out of school, your first year or two, you're not going to be the best. So you got to network and work hard and show these other craftsmen that you're a hand and that you're willing to do whatever it takes to be a team player, make good welds, and go wherever they need, okay? So after your first job, if you do those things, you will have people wanting your number for the next job and so forth, okay? So that's how you stay getting jobs. And it just gets better from there. This point in my career, I've been doing that process, that method for 5 years, and I do not have to look for a job anymore. People are constantly calling me and texting me about jobs. Now, if I need a job at a certain point and no one's texting me, I can make one text or phone call and I will be on a job the next week, okay? So if you do that process, you will certainly be at a point to where you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, for yourself, for your hobbies, for your families, and you'll be able to work as much or as little as you want. So that's the blueprint to making it in the non-union side of the industry. I forgot to bring that up in the beginning. So I've done non-union most of my career, all of my career, and that's just how it is with the non-union. So that's the blueprint for success in the welding industry, okay? And every year you have to get better, you have to network, and you have to show people that you're willing to be the best that you can be on these jobs. And trust me, it may seem hard at first, and there's a lot of negative people on Facebook and social media, but you just got to look past that. Follow this blueprint, and it's going to literally take you wherever you want right after welding school, okay? So hopefully that helps you guys. Stay tuned to our YouTube, our social media. Check out our website for registration. It's simple, it's easy. We got clicks and links all over the place. If you have any questions about this video, comment below, DM us, and we will reach out to you. If not, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.